I took some time this weekend on QuantCrawler to build out two features that have been requested quite a bit, and I'm happy to say that they're done and they're live on the website and they work incredibly well. The first one is a market screener for forex, crypto, and stocks. And with stocks, I've now added the stocks section to the options analyzer. Previously, you were just able to get call and put options. But now with stocks, it's pulling live data, analyzing it with our AI framework, and telling you if you just want to buy shares of a stock as a whole, if it's a good time or a bad time to buy, if you should wait for a price correction, if it's overbought or oversold, and also breaks down its reasoning behind it. So let me hop over to quantcrawler.com and quickly show you what this looks like. And just a reminder, you get a free 30-day trial. And then after that, it's just $9.99 a month. It's under $10 a month to have access to everything I'm about to show you. So first, let me show you guys the stocks and options. This used to just say options, but now I've added in stocks. So when you click analyze chart, it immediately pulls you in where you can do stocks or options, and you can enter in the ticker, or the old method of uploading screenshots, you can do whatever you prefer. So for this example, let's just say with stocks, I want to see what Apple's doing and I want it to be on a scalp time frame. You can do either one if you want to do a longer hold, a swing hold, or intraday if you're going to do 2 to 5 day. But if you're doing just a quick scalp, just leave it here. That's what I'm going to run this as. Pick stocks, click enter ticker, pick whichever one you want or type it in here, and then just click analyze and let it go to work. This then pops up right here. Stock analysis, Apple, not recommended to buy. Current price is here. Bearish and declining is the trend. It's 85% confident that it is declining. 2 of 3 time frames are bearish. So if you are just looking to buy a share, like one individual share of Apple, you would not want to do that right now because you would be losing money. It's bearish and declining is what the AI analysis and framework is coming up with. So buying is not recommended. Consider waiting for price to reach 25493. So about a 50-cent drop, not a major deal. Some of these will be bigger swings, but on this one, it's still suggesting that you're going to lose money. Or consider waiting for a trend reversal or bullish confirmation on the 5 minute time frame. Here are the key levels that it's picking up from the chart. It's giving you your time frame analysis of how it came up with this, and then AI reasoning being Apple is currently on a bearish trend on the 15, consistently displaying lower highs and lower lows. Although the shorter 5 and 1 are ranging, they are consolidating near recent support levels and lack any significant bullish momentum. So it sees that now is not a good time to make this happen. So you can do this with any ticker. All of this is embedded and working on the back end with our API that will give you any stock that is available. And you can test this at any time. You also can run options as well if you want to get call and put options over here. The next piece that I built in is the screener. That's on the left-hand side. You simply click in here, and this does not work with futures because thanks to CME, I still don't have direct integration to pull live data for futures, but you can use this for forex, crypto, or stocks. So since it's Sunday around 12:30 my time, let's just look at crypto. We'll go on the 15-minute. You have different filters you can pick here, but your quick filters, I'm just going to pick bullish and click run scan, and it looks like this. You can see that it connected in live to all 15 of these. The price is updating as it's moving, pulling you live data. And let's just look at Ethereum right here. You can expand this out. It gives you more breakdowns and trends and filters. And then just quickly click analyze if you like what you see, and it will immediately pull you into the crypto chart analyzer and start breaking that down. The other cool thing I want to show you on the screener is over here. When you do run it on stocks, let's just rerun this for stocks, even though the market isn't open right now, it's still going to give us data. And the cool thing with stocks specifically is it says that it's live, which this is live pricing, but the market isn't open, so nothing's moving. You're not going to see the green and red flashes. If you expand this out for Costco, there's more data on stocks than there is on the other pieces. You have your 52-week range, how far off it is from its 52-week high, its 52-week position right here in the middle, its key levels. So when it comes to stocks, you're getting more information because there's just simply more information available outside of crypto. But you can see here, you can do this on any of these. You can see Walmart is at its 52-week high, essentially. It's barely below it. Keep scrolling down. AMD, you can see, is kind of 3/4 of the way, maybe a little bit higher to its 52-week high. And then lastly, you have these built in, right? It takes the top 50 of what I put in there, but you can go on stocks, crypto, and Forex and put in 25 of your own tickers if there's other things you want to watch. This is mainly going to be helpful on stocks right here because I only put the top 50, and you can see which ones are defaulted in to forex, crypto, and stocks here. Here's the default forex pairs. Here's the default crypto pairs. And then down here are the curated top 50. These are ones that I picked because I look at these and watch them and wanted them to be part of my screener. But you also, like noted right here, 50 curated stocks plus up to 25 from your watch list equals a max of 75 stocks per scan. So this screener can handle pretty much any data you want to throw at it to get any of these filters to break down what it is that you trade during the day or things that you want to keep an eye on. And then again, just to quickly recap with you guys, if you're over here on MasterCard and you want to analyze this, you just click the analyze button. It pulls you straight into the stocks and it starts scanning that exact ticker from the screener directly. So that's a quick overview of everything that's built over the weekend. Here we have stocks now, stocks and options on the analyzer, and we have a screener that is going to cover all of the tickers and pairs that you would want to keep an eye on with your own filters and however you want to set it up.